Hi, you're welcome. So in this session, I'm going to be showing you the results that I've obtained with this particular bot that um, I'm sharing with you in this course, right? So you will see that on this particular account, so today's date is today is the 2nd of August 2024, right? So I opened this account towards the end of, or let me say mid-September 2023, and it's still less than a year that on this particular account. I have another account that I've been running for a year, for 2 years plus, right? So now on this particular account, so you can see that for the remaining days in September last year, it's made 4.62%. In October, it was 9.49% in profit. November, 12.53% in profit. December 2023, 19.57% in profit. That's massive, right? January this year. So usually when the year starts, I turn off all my trading system, right? And then I put it on after the second week in the month, right? So that I wait. The idea is to wait for the market to be fully opened, all right, before I start trading. So 4.25% in profit January. In February, 11.55% in profit. In March, 8.49% in profit. April, 6.06% in profit. May, 4.70% in profit. June, 6.18% in profit. July, 7.90% in profit. And then it's still the second of the month, and I'm making 0.6. All right, that's approximately 1% in profit for this month alone. Okay, so what does this mean? This means to tell you that this is a system that is consistently profitable. Okay, it's a system that is consistently profitable. Every month closed in profit, even though at different percentage, but every month closed in profit. And if you're looking for a system that will make you close your trades, or that will make you consistently profitable in Forex trading, I think this is a system that you need to get, right? And then over the period of that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 months so far, I've made 1.48, almost 150% in profit. All right. On my Forex, on my FXbook, this same trading account, this is it here. Okay, so on my FXbook is telling us it's 158. All right. So if you see on my FXbook, you see it here that it is it was opened on the 18th of September 2023. All right. And then you can see here that it has made 158% in profit, and similar charts too, right? So if you check 2023, you see, I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so September, October, November, December. All right, so on and on like that. And then you can see here, yeah, I'm waiting for 2024 charts to open. So January, February, March, April. So all through have been consistently profitable. All right, so I'm going to leave links to this results that I'm sharing with you. I'll leave it in the description section below so that you can also see it for yourself and go through how the results have been so far, and then you can make your decision if it's if you working with this bot, all right, is actually worth considering. Okay, all right, and then so that's it for this particular account. There's one other account, it's a demo account, right? So this one I just showed us is a real account. It's a real account on Share Market for You, is the broker, but Share for You. So on this platform, people copy my trades. So if you have access to this link, right, and you are interested in copying my trades, why not? So you just come here, click on copy, and then you're good to go. You are copying my trades. So what it means is that as I'm making profit, you're also making profit along with me, all right? So that's what it simply means. But that is not the ultimate why you are here. You are here checking this out so that you can get this system that works. So that you can get this system that works. I'm sharing with you in the course, all right? So Just in case you are watching this on YouTube, right? Check the description section. You will see the link to this course on my site. It's a combination of the course and the bot together. So in the course, I will show you, break down how to use it, even if you don't have experience with Forex trading before, right? So I'll show you. It's going to be a breakdown on how to use it. So I'll get to it soon. I'll get to it soon, right? So now, this is the other system that I've been using. So I've been using it here since 2022. This is okay. Still loading. All right. So let me open this. Hold on. I will open this and share with us. I'll open this and share with us. All right. Okay. Yep. So I'm going to open this and then share this link with us. So this particular system that made me this profit, right? I'm showing us the course on my site. So if you are interested, you can just log on to this my site here. It's in Naira is 200,000 Naira. In dollars is about $100. All right. So introductory, I'll show you how to get your own VPS, how to set up your VPS on your remote desktop. So if you don't have any experience, I will take you all through the steps. All right. And then how to copy files to your VPS computer, how to install your VPS, all right, your MetaTrader on your VPS, creating demo accounts, setting up your trading account. If you don't have experience with MT4 before, how to familiarize, I'll walk you through quickly the MT4 terminal, at least what you need to know with respect to this. How to trade multiple terminals on a VPS. So if it is just one VPS you have and you have 2 accounts to trade simultaneously, why not? I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to install and set up this robot for you to start taking trades. All right. Then what you need to take note of. All right. Then we'll conclude final notes, and there are other additional lectures here in the program. I also update this course, right, from time to time with lectures that are important. So if you're interested, why not? Check the description section of this YouTube video, and then you are able to take the course there. Okay, and then for this other one, this is a demo account, right? You can see, as I was saying, it's been profit all along. So see the chart from August. Basically, I started trading December. So I opened this account August 2022, but I didn't really start trading until December. So you can see December here, all right? So I opened it August, but I started trading December, right? So you can see the progression all along till today, which is 2nd of August. All right, the system has been raking in profits day in, day out. All right, so see in 2022, you can see that August, though it was open in August 5th, but no trade, 0%. I started in December 2022. Look at it, 2023, all through profits, So 10%, 12%, 16%, 23, 21, you know, all through this year profits. And then 2023, 2024 also start with profits. So, and this month of August too is still in profit. So, as I said, you have seen that this is actually profitable and it works. Something that works, I use it on real account. And then this is a demo account that I've been testing for over 2 years. I mean, so you are interested, why not? Just reach out to me, or better still, click on the link to the course that teaches you how to use the bots, where you also get the bots for $100, all right, and then you're good to go. And then so that's it. I hope you found this informative, and I hope you also find this profitable for you also, as we benefit or make profit from the Forex market together. Okay, so I look forward to hear back from you, and then your feedback also. And if you've taken this course already, remember, whether you've taken it or you are yet to take it, there's a WhatsApp group. So ensure you are a part of the WhatsApp group so that we can have conversations. Let's discuss. We want to know how you are doing. It's a closed group. We want to know how you are doing. We want to be able to assist you if you come, if you have any difficulties. And then we can also be able to inform ourselves because there are a few times when, of course, we need to turn off the bot. We don't want the bot to work, all right? So we'll put you through on how to go on with that. All right, so thank you very much for your time. Regards, see you in the next class. Yeah.